the bra I'm gonna be using, and it's just one of my old bras that I barely use. So just looking at it. So you could basically use any bra that you have laying around. I wouldn't recommend anything new, since you're gonna be gluing flowers all over it. But I guess if you want a specific color in the back, if you're planning on seeing the back of it, then go ahead and get a different color. And these are the flowers I'm gonna be using. And they're like a peachy pink flower. They have little peachy inside and then pink on the ends. And I got these from Walmart. These were 97 cents. And I got about 6 bundles of them. They come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They come with 6 flowers inside. Do right here is I'm just going to take off the strap. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can leave your strap and decorate it as well. These are the panties I'm just going to be using for the bottom half of the maternity outfit. And I have 13 flowers, so hopefully all those 13 flowers fit on there. If not, I have an extra bouquet in case I need more. So basically we're just going to do the same thing as we did with the bra. So the final look of the panties, I'll be putting a picture of how it looks once I try them on again and have my little do-it-yourself photo shoot. I went ahead and added some more pink flowers on the top, and that was only because when I tried on the panties, they stretched out a little bit more and they would show more of the black lace underneath it, and I didn't want any of the black lace peeking out. So I just added some pink petals and some smaller pink flowers in between. Yep, no pattern exactly that I did, but you know, just keep filling the spots in that you need.
It's you, it's always you. If I'm ever gonna fall in love, I know it's gonna be you. It's you, it's always you. Met a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart, don't tear me apart. I know how it starts, trust me, I've been broken before. Don't break